That's crazy.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold.
What's up? What's up? I'm James, aka Rebuilder Guy. This is the conclusion of the twins rebuilds. One was a salvage flood, one was a clean title engine damage. Both of these engines were replaced. If you want to see those other videos, I'm going to link them right there in the top right hand corner. Today we're going to get these things fired up and hopefully they run good. I'm going to also discuss the entire price breakdowns of each vehicle and which one is projected to net me more money and which one was the better buy. Also, last week I asked you guys for a funny joke to win the Ridge wallet, and this is the person that won. And if you weren't the lucky one that actually won, go ahead down below. There's a link to the Ridge wallet. Also, use coupon code REBUILD for 10% off. It's an awesome minimalist wallet. I enjoy it. I use the carbon fiber one, and the winner gets this one. All right, let's get these fluids in. Let's get the spark plugs in, and hopefully do some donuts today. All right, plugs are in, oil is in, everything is connected. We got car number 1 on an extra battery. Car number 2, all buttoned up. We even bled the brakes. All right, let's jump in and see if they start. Vic, you ready? I wanna do this at the same time. Roll down this window. Crap. All right, get them fuel pumps primed. You ready? Okay, here we go. Hold on the count of 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. Oh, this one sounds sick. You gonna start? No? Hold on. Woo! Youch! We got a nasty belt sound on that one. This one is stuck, doesn't want to go. Go ahead, try. Go ahead. Golly, look at the smoke out of this one. That's crazy. Now that's a thumbnail right there. That's definitely burning some things off. Why'd you kill it? Did you kill it? Why did it die? That's not good. Fuel. Got fuel. Temps. Something's not right. Okay, we gotta get that one fired up. So car number 2 runs. Car number 1 is still down. Get off your Snapchat, Tim. I have to. Wow. Dude, the shop is smoked out. Hey, we got him running. We got one running. Yeah, open up that gate. Open, yeah, open it up. Car number 2 is smoking. But you know, that's pretty standard here on this channel. We always like to make a good smoke show. Victor's running here with the battery to get car number 1 fired up. Come on. What's wrong? Too much? You can't breathe? Look at this, you can't see nothing. That's awesome. Yo, I gotta go check the temps on this thing. I like the exhaust on this. This has the Flowmaster on it. Yeah, it's still smoking a bit. This is the one that we did the head gasket on. Woo! Nice and smoky. All right, let's check the temps. All right, we got all the lights on, but nothing the scan tool can't handle. Let me turn on these lights. There we go. Fuel, temp. It's leveling out, so that's a good thing. Hey Vic, come on, let's get it fired up. Try to get number 1 to go. Woo! Here we go. Smoke show. Ah, this one's not smoking at all. Barely. Keep an eye on the temps. Okay. I don't like the way this one's sounding. Sounds like a belt or a pulley's bad. Same thing on car number 1. The smoke is dying down here. Got barely anything coming out. Hey Vic! Vic, you want to hit the gas? Hit the gas on this one. A little bit, not a lot. Alright, let's see this. A little bit more! Woo! Temps looking good. All right, temps are looking good. Engines are both running. Now let's put everything together. While all of that was happening, a driver stopped by and dropped off another donor. It's a 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee with a 6.1 Hemi. It's pretty crispy in here. Took a nice little fire damage, but check this out. Look at that huge Turbski. Whew, that thing is nice. If you want to see me rebuild that 300 that you saw from the first episode, let me know down below how I'm gonna use this engine here, clean it up, slap it in there, and get it to go. Who knows, maybe I might just cut off this firewall here, use the VIN number, half of the floor, slap it into the 300 and call it a day. No burnouts, Tim.
Where's the keys?
Right on top of the dash.
There they are.
let's get to the meat and potatoes of these rebuilds. So if you guessed car number 1 was the salvage one, well, I'm sorry to break it to you. You were wrong. It was car number 2. So starting with the clean title, car number 1, I bought it for $6,500 after fees. It came home for $7,218. Towing and storage came out to $770. The engine cost me $1,305. Again, that's from the shop, from the parts car. I worked out a deal. Labor came out at $750, fluids at $100, and extra parts at $220. The total was $11,000. Car number 2, the salvage title, I bought it for $4,500 after fees. We came out at $5,683. Shipping was $275. Engine and wheels at $1,300 because the heads were used from another block. So I just technically bought the block. The machine shop cost me $400 plus minus. Parts came out to $150 for the new head bolts and the head gaskets. Fluids at $100, labor at $750, and then extra miscellaneous parts at $350. The total came out to $9,000. The salvage Challenger has 76,000 miles, and the clean title Challenger has 105,000 miles. The salvage one has a better exhaust, better wheels, but when I go to sell it, it definitely is going to cost a little bit less. I'm shooting for the 12,000 mark and 14 for the clean title car. And this is one of those situations where do you pay $2,000 more for a piece of paper? Me personally, I would go with the salvage title vehicle because it is a better car with less mileage. I do have to put a lip on there still and one of the grills, but other than that, alignment and we're good to go. Total came out to $20,000 for 2 cars. I project to sell both of these for $26,000 with a profit margin of $5,000 to $6,000. I think that is totally acceptable. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.